Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. In this video is to bring you a closer look at the National Guard products, number 9600B. This is their, what they call their all-seal perimeter gasketing. Nylon plus brush insert. Proprietary sort of brush configuration from National Guard. Good quality bristle. Very typical sort of item. This aluminum holder is in terms of its not only dimensional properties but its profile. Okay. The B finish stands for gold anodized. This item is available in first of all, mill finish aluminum, by far the most common. The absence of a letter after the 9600 would give you mill aluminum finish. A is going to be clear anodized aluminum. B is the brass, and DKB is dark bronze. There is an image below this video showing the dimensional properties of the item. Let's go over that now. Like I said earlier, the size of this is incredibly common. 7/8 height on the aluminum, plus the 1/2 inch on the bristle. That's 1 3/8 inches overall height. This is going to be the typical and common sort of bristle seal that you'll see installed on exterior retail locations. You might have a gold anodized aluminum storefront door, or you'll have, let's say, oak doors with brass hardware on it, a pair of double doors going into a clothing store. Very typical and common. Residential applications, absolutely, because brass hardware is so common. The dimensional properties of this are very common, with it not being excessively large. Bristle is always an excellent idea because of its unique ability to really seal against an irregular floor surface, which is many floor surfaces. Demonstrated by the fact that my fingers, if they exaggerate an irregular floor surface, you can see how those bristles really get into and around the profile of my exaggerated irregular floor surface. If you have a restaurant, the inspector, someone you probably know on a first name basis, he's looking for, or she is looking for daylight. Daylight means critters can get in. Bristle is exceptional to not only keeping out the daylight, but therefore by extension the critters as well. So that's why people will like bristle a lot, etc. So you'll use it in those sorts of applications. 1/2 inch bristle means you're going to have a very common undercut, nothing excessive. If you need something with a greater amount of bristle, that's no problem. National Guard can certainly accommodate. There is a link below this video to the manufacturer's, to a document called Product Brochure, where you can review the catalog cut page of where this specifically is listed and see some common typical items associated with it. This is available on the site in several different lengths. If you have need for a custom length, by all means let us know by ordering the next longest piece or pieces, and simply indicate in the comment field what length you'd like for us to cut the material back to. Now the reasoning is if you had to take this 48-inch piece and cut it down to say 42-inch, you'd eliminate that slotted hole. And speaking of that slotted hole, screws are included in a complementary finish. But the point is if you eliminate that slotted hole, you're stuck drilling another one, because the next hole is all the way over here. And naturally it's tough to drill a slotted hole, which is really handy to have because you're accounting for a sill that's not level, or a misdrilled hole, when you're pre-drilling the hole into the door, whether it's wood, steel, aluminum, fiberglass, bronze, stainless. A drill bit has a tendency to walk a little bit if you've not used a center punch. So having a slotted hole from the factory allows you to account for that as well, giving you the best chance at a proper seal at the bottom of the door, which is why you're adding it in the first place. A lack of a seal at the bottom of the door is akin to not having a seal at the bottom of the door. So if you ordered a custom length, we'll not only locate that first slotted hole at the proper distance from the edge, but the proper center to center as well. Now the name National Guard is synonymous with all things weather stripping related, and there is below this video a link to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up their full line catalog and review all things weather stripping related from National Guard. Not only door sweeps, but thresholds, perimeter gasketing, material made of aluminum like this, stainless steel, architectural bronze. They even have a comprehensive offering of very high quality steel vision frames that you'll see installed in both wood and metal doors. If you have any questions on the National Guard 9600B door sweep or any other National Guard product, please feel free to reach out to us. Thank you.